In this video, I will show you how to contact Google Ads support. To do this, go and open up your Google Ads Manager and in the top right, click Help. Now once you are in the Help section, what you want to do is just scroll down and then underneath More Help, click Contact Us. From there, just type what your question is or what you need help with. For example, how do I delete my account? And then click Next Step. From there, they will recommend a few articles and you can check those out to see if the answer is in there. But if you want to continue, just choose the best description of this issue, such as canceling your account, and then click Next Step. And then from there, choose the Google Ads account you want to contact them with. So if you have multiple, you will see those. Just select one of them. And then from there, they will ask what your preferred language is. And then you can do chat if the agents are available. You can see the hours of operation right here. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday between 9 and 6. But you can always email them. So in that case, just click email. Then enter your contact name, your end customer company name, contact email, your account login email ID. You can add a CC email. And then here you can authorize Google to modify my Google Ads account, such as canceling or reactivating. And then you will see how would you like a Google expert to respond. And then here you can add your phone number and please inform the preferred time we can call to reach you. And then here just write your issue or question. And then you can also add a file. And from there, go and submit it. And then you will have contacted support and they will reach out back to you. So now you know how to contact Google Ads support. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.